If you see, none of these wires are connected to the little connector down there. Where this pink wire is, this gray wire, it's actually pink, and it's soldered onto that little peg down there. But if you look over on the main ends, they have little pegs too, but they actually have those little wires that run off of it somewhere, and so this is a pink wire underneath this gray one. But if I follow the yellow wire, it ends up coming out somewhere underneath the board, I believe, down there. That's the main ends. That yellow down there. Right here. You make right there where my finger's gonna lift out from, what you're gonna see. Those. Psh. And then this wire has got to run somewhere. But look at that solder job down there. I mean, it's just atrocious. And then, I don't know if you'll be able to see, do you see that burnt cutout above where I'm doing the wire? This end piece, this right here was put and sandwiched in that burn part down there. It was sandwiched in there, and then they had tied this around that. So that's what we got going on here. And if anybody can help, man, I'd appreciate it. I could only find out on the schematics how to remove the heat sinks in the driver board, which is not what I want to do, particularly. So if you guys could see if you can come up with any information, I appreciate it. I've done hours of research this whole night. I stayed up all night working on this thing, and I know it doesn't look like I've done a lot, but replace the light in here. It was burnt out. Finally got my volume knob off. It's junk. This I took this apart, and this was just tore up in there. This is supposed to click as it turns, and it's just free. I don't know if somehow I could fix it by getting into it, but that's a whole nother topic. But there it is.